Hello and namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Srishti. Today's session I'll be teaching you a few breathing practices which we call pranayama. So there are different forms of pranayama practices. Today's session will be more for active form of breathing which helps to boost your metabolism and also helps to improve your lung capacity. So the first practice that we are gonna do is Bhastrika breathing, also known as Bellows breathing, which includes hyperventilatory practice, active inhalation and active exhalation. We are also going to use the hand movements so that our respiratory cycles are even more better practiced. So you'll be making fist like this with the thumb inside. Then as you inhale, you'll take the hands up and open up your fingers. And as you exhale, hands down, making a fist again. You are not breathing from the mouth, you are just breathing from the nose. I'll show you again. Right? So here I'm not looking up. I'm not doing any of the bodily movements, just movements coming from the hands. So that is very important, okay? So inhaling and exhaling. So let's continue the practice and we'll be doing in a closed eyes position so that you are better focused on your breathing. So we'll do for 3 rounds. So the first round will be just for 30 strokes. Second round we'll try to do for 50 strokes and third round we'll try to do for 70 strokes. Okay? So if just in between you feel like your hands are getting tired, you can rest for a while. Right? Let's start the practice. Bring your hands, make a fist. Your back erect, your neck erect. Gently close your eyes. Let's start. And you can exhale. Once you are done with 30 strokes, exhale and relax. Palms facing up, your spine straight, back straight. Close your eyes and bring all your attention on your chest and your abdomen. Deep breaths in and out. With every breath in and out, try to observe the lightness on your body. And relax. And gently open your eyes. You can also pause for a while. If you feel you are enjoying the state, you can pause the video and just continue being on that state also, where you enjoy to close your eyes and just feel inside, right? Okay, let's continue with the second round. So here we'll be doing for 50 strokes, right? Back straight, neck erect. Okay, so let's start. Close your eyes. as you are done with 50 strokes, you can gently stop the practice. Release your palms, gently close your eyes, and keep on doing some deep breaths in and out. Bring your all attention on your chest and your abdomen. With every deep breath in and out, try to observe the lightness on your chest and your abdomen. And then you can gently open your eyes. Okay. Now we are left with one more round. So this will be 70 strokes. So if you feel the hands are tired, you can rest for a while and continue later on also. Otherwise, keep on practicing the third round. Make a fist. Close your eyes. Back and neck erect. Let's start. And you are done. If you are done with 70 rounds, gently drop your hands down. Open up your palms, palms facing up. Relax your shoulder. Deep breaths in and out. Try to enjoy the state of your deep breathing. Observe the warmth on your mid part of your body. Feel the blood circulation towards your fingers, arms, forearms. And gently open your eyes. So this is how we do the hyperventilatory breathing practices. Sometimes if you feel you are having any shoulder issues, you can also do active inhalation and active exhalation just with the nose like this. Right? So this way also you can practice. Okay? So this is the Bhastrika breathing. Let's do the second breathing. So it is also known as Agni Sara Kriya. So here we will be inhaling and exhaling the breath completely, pulling the belly inside and then hitting the belly inside. But without any breath. You are holding the breath and practicing, but you have to breathe out, then only you have to practice, right? Something like this, inhaling, exhaling, and hitting like this. So let's continue. So here, you can try to hit the belly inside towards the spine as long as you can hold the breath. And once you feel like you need that breath urge, then you can take a deep breath in and relax. Okay, let's give a try. Your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath first. Inhale, exhale, and start. Then once you feel that urge to breathe, take a deep breath in and breathe out. So this is the practice of Agnisara Kriya. Okay, so now we'll be practicing this for one more round. As I said, breathing in and practicing should not be done. Breathing out completely and continuing the practice. Okay, let's give a try. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Breathe out and start. Inhale and exhale and relax. Okay, so these are a little hyperventilatory practices followed by active form of breathing practices, right? Now I will also teach you how to do Ujjayi breathing, which is also known as ocean breathing. That is very good for massaging your thyroid gland and also helping to boost your metabolism. Okay, so again, spine straight, neck erect. If you feel sitting this for a long time, you get a little bit of uneasiness on your back, you can also rest your back on the wall. Okay, yes. For this, we'll be doing 5 rounds of practices. So how to do Ujjayi breathing? Ujjayi is like ocean breathing, so that sound, hissing sound should come, stressing on the throat. So I'll show you how to do this. You need to bring the chin down, then you gently inhale, hissing sound, stressing on the throat. You are inhaling from the nose, and then while exhaling, again the hissing sound. At the beginning you might feel difficulty, a little bit of coughing, also completely fine, but try to practice. Let's give 5 rounds of try. Bring your chin down, close your eyes and practice. Let's do one more round. And then you can stop the practice and relax. So these are few breathing practices for today. You can practice this kind of breathing practices more on the early half of the day rather than doing on the later half or in the evening times, as it's more stimulatory kind of practices. Okay, so try to practice this kind of practices, which really helps a lot to make yourself energetic and also helps to boost your metabolism, improve your lung capacity and make your lung healthy. And along with that, it also helps to improve your concentration, right? So that's it for today. I'll meet you on the next session with some informative videos for sure. And until next time, see you. Bye.